Hmm. Wow. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow. 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 Oh, Trump is talking? Well, damn, Nasdaq. God damn, dude. If I trust the Bears and they disappoint me. Wow. All right, dude. All right. Okay. Apparently, I'm just going to get chopped up on the way down. All right, fine. Shit. Fine. God damn, dude. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Come on. All right. My God, dude. Like, that's insane, man. Come on, Nasdaq. Freaking insane, dude. That's why that's why I'm not gonna ever go short, man. I'm not going short no more. Shouldn't speak to her softly, like, God damn, girl. And shit. I mean, I only gotta. Well, I guess never mind. Damn, I could have held for more money, man. Could have held for more money. Yeah, I could have held for more money, man. All right, man. My damn. That's my damn password. All right, man. That's my fucking password. God damn it. Pops at being stupid already, man. Talking about that's not my damn password. That's exactly what my damn password is. Mm. All right. All right, Nasdaq. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Mm. I mean, I don't trust it, but whatever. I don't trust it, but whatever. I mean, said no more trades for you this morning, Santiago. Man, I just don't trust this. I don't want to give it. I think that's the most annoying thing in the world. That is annoying. I'm just getting chopped up by the Nasdaq here. Okay. Damn near just about. At least I'll lock in at least $400, I guess. What? Nice. All right. Nice. My God, dude. The classic, after you take profits, that's when it wants to run. Classic. Classic price action. Classic. After you take your profits, it struggles to your profit target. And that's when it wants to run. Yeah, I'm seeing that happen lately. Mm. 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 Okay. Mm. Mm. Damn. Mm. I guess it's just basically just trusting it, I guess. Damn. Okay. Damn. Mm. Damn. 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 Mm. I'm playing with the 21 EMA right now. I'm playing with it. This shit could just reject right here. Mm. 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 Nasdaq is like, nah, nah, nah. Thank you. Stock that out. So I basically bought this account back. All right, now I gotta bring this account back now. Mind you, the Nasdaq came back and stopped me out right here. She pulled back just enough to stop me out, just to do this. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Let's see what this thing looks like. This is the top steps opening range. What kind of indicator is this? It's interesting it doesn't show the midpoint. You think that that would be one of the features. Interesting how it bounces at one of the extensions. Interesting. That might be a strategy moving forward. Mm. don't do well with restrictions. Need to be careful here. We're at the orb high. We're at the orb high. The bulls fell here. We got that high right there. Okay, I'm good with that. I'll lock out the account. Do something stupid. Okay, well, I made money in all three of my funded accounts today. Cool. I made money in all three of my funded accounts today. Great. Made about what, 3K today? Just about 3K. Okay. Okay. Kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. Damn, okay. I see what game Ninja Trader is playing. Let's see what game Ninja Trader is playing. Yeah, I just look at it at the end of the day and set an alarm or something. Better go. Yeah, I mean, that thing like went all the way down there. Yeah, that's something that. Mm. Mm. Yeah, and that's about what 3 losses in a row on this account. Well, I don't know if I have to do some kumbaya this weekend, but I have to accept that the market doesn't perform well after double tops and double bottoms. I'm not going to get what I'm looking for. It's like I don't. It's amazes me that I have to go through something like this. It just amazes me I have to go through something. You know, honestly, I think I've come to the understanding about the Nasdaq. I've just come to the understanding of that, man. Just keep jabbing. If she stops you out, get back in. Because she's gonna stop you out and then go in your direction. If you're trading small enough, you'll be able to survive it, make your money back, and then ride the momentum after she gets done stopping people out. It seems like that's basically the strategy with the Nasdaq. Just survive long enough to endure all the bullshit, and then you can make your money back. When she finally decides to put you the real direction. He said you have to trade smaller or get a bigger account. Yeah. Yeah, the Nasdaq is just she ain't for the weak. She is not for the weak. And what I mean by weak, you can't break. She's gonna stop you out about 10 times. She's gonna stop you out about 10 times. She's gonna touch your break even about 10 times. You just gotta ignore that shit and just keep on trading. That might be a setup right there, maybe. That might be the beginning of a setup right there. Maybe. We'll see. You say you're adjusting to that? Yeah. Yeah, it definitely is. Right now, shit. Trade small, trade often strategy is working for me so far. Trade small, trade often. Trade small, trade often. Shit, I didn't actually mean to kind of leave that there, but if it works out, I'm going to say I did that on purpose. I totally did that on purpose, guys. Totally. I totally did that on purpose. Oof. I did not do that on purpose, guys. ¿Dónde vamos? ¿Dónde vamos? So yeah, I mean, it looks like the bulls are just selling. I mean, it was a double top rejection. Honestly, I should have just flipped short. I just have a hard time trusting bears to finish off. I mean, I lost about $600 earlier just for the bears chopping me up as it was going down. And I have an 18 to 20 point stop, mind you. So As it was going down, it pushes back up, stops me out, goes down, pushes back up, stop up. And I just said, fuck it. I just said, you know what? I'll just go long. Just gonna go long. And of course the longs worked. Of course the longs worked. I mean, you can always readjust it if need be, you know? Oh, has it? I haven't even paid attention to that. Yeah, it could be. Yeah. 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 What is that tint in the background? Oh, the initial balance. Oh, yeah. I don't actually know why I haven't turned this off. I don't know why I haven't turned that off. Like, what the hell is that tint? Interesting. Label. You know what? Let me just take a trade in this account though, really quick. I don't want to lose my Tradify account, but I've been focusing solely on these okay. At least I got to trade into this account now. You gotta love the Nasdaq, man. The stop outs are insane sometimes. So precise. So precise with the stop outs. Insane. Look at that. After the stop out. Insane. I couldn't imagine trading the Nasdaq on a personal account. The Nasdaq will definitely be on my do not trade list for sure. Well, maybe I'll take that back. I'll probably just trade like one micro contract. One micro contract isn't that bad. Like having like a 1-to-1 target, maybe shooting for a 100-point target, 50-point stop, one micro contract. I don't see any harm in that. Right after the stop out. Right after the stop out. Same. Well, I am in this long in my Tradeify account. Up about, I don't know, $500 right now. Yeah. I mean, and it can be done too. If you take like one trade a day, probably risking, $100 a day. Get into a good spot with a 50-point stop. Shoot for a 100-point target. Probably even a 200-point target. Mm. Wow. I see what your game is, Ninja Trader. I see what your game is. I see what your game is. Oh, wow. Thing literally rejected my target. Wow. Whoa! 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 Oh! What? What? Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Dude. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way the Nasdaq just no way. No freaking way. No way. No way. What the hell was that? No. Dude, this thing literally stops dead at my target and drops. Wow. 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 No way. No way, dude. No way. I had a feeling. I mean, was that a did Trump say something? I mean, what else that could have been? Oh shit, you know what? Shit, I haven't yeah, okay. I haven't been playing the live Squawk Box lately, huh? Damn. Hmm. Okay. All right. Wow. Right at the target. I was like, damn, I was about to grab it too. But Ninja Trader Ace, for whatever reason, every time I grab my order, it freezes. The Nasdaq is moving so damn fast that the charts are moving. I can't move my stop or my buy order, limit order. Dude, just play the damn box. Like, what the hell? These browsers are so like, you want to give out your location? No. Why do you need my location? Man, that was hard. That was nasty. That was nasty. That was nasty. Right at the profit target too. I mean, do we see a drop here or? We probably do. We probably do. Nice. 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 I like it when I can't take profits or nothing. I like that. All right, so I can put my my take profit, or not my take profit, but my.
So an update from an Iranian source on X here. So earlier they reported that Iran and the US may sign a war termination MOU at a high political level remotely, but they do know now that the following report did not intend to suggest that Iran's parliamentary speaker Galibaf and US VP Vance will not convene in Switzerland on Friday.
All after the fact, right? So many people got liquidated in that news. Well, that last news report wasn't intended for you to interpret it this way. But the market sure did. My God, man. All right, man. I'm done on that. I'm done.
So just keep in mind, we're not correlating that to the move that we saw in the markets there. If anything, the markets would likely respond opposite to that headline, but just something that we're seeing on the wires here.
I mean, it's highly unlikely that we see the market reverse, but it doesn't mean that if your stops are too tight and you get in at the wrong spot, it won't pull back and stop you out and then continue to go. But it's highly likely now that we probably take out this high right here. We probably take that high out. Okay. Wow. What a day. What a day. Shit, the Nasdaq's been finding my stop all freaking day in this account. Like, it's crazy that I've lost so many times in this account. It's kind of crazy, honestly. I mean, if it's any account, I would prefer it to be this account because I basically blown it, hitting that daily loss limit. So, I mean, I made money in my other accounts, but it just seems like before this account, well, I don't want to think like that. I want to think that I can bring this account back, but it seems like it's taken on all the bad trades. It's taken on all the losses before it goes. I don't want to see it go, but I basically blown it. Looks like my funded futures is having a $50 off a builder account. says first time use. First time use is 50% and then 40% afterwards. Mhm. Like I said, it's highly unlikely that it's highly unlikely. But I mean, I wonder if it's going to hold here or if it needs to try to run more liquidity under these lows. I mean, that could be a liquid. Oh, all right. Well, all right. You trying to sweep liquidity or what? What are you trying to do, NQ? You swept that low already. It looks like we got a pop. Or you just want my stop. Okay. All right. So there goes the sweep. There goes the pop. Okay. I might add to this, honestly. I might add to it right here. I'm going to add to this position right here. It'll just be funny if the Nasdaq all she wants is my stop. She wants my stop. How about you come over to my place and stop me out? Oh, that's hilarious. You want to come over to my place and stop me out? I would have just got back in. Just would have got back in because this market is just whippy, and It's better just to be in the move and get stopped out versus, yeah, I'll just get back into the move. All right, looks like we're seeing that move, baby. All right, let's see if we can take out that high. Like I said, I highly doubt that we see the market reject from here. After that big drop down, we got a sweep of that low. We got a higher low right here. I highly doubt that we get a see reversal unless we get another news event. Unless we get another news event. Looks like the bears are trying to come back in this area right here. Looks like the bears are trying to reject right there. We'll see if they're successful. About 400. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to come in at 400. Interesting. So I got one more day until a payout on this account. Got one more day. Mm. Mm. All right, so all I have to do tomorrow, or probably whenever I get back. So my goal for tonight is at the end of today's session, I'm going to identify some. Well, damn, Nasdaq, can can you let my position live, please? God damn, dude. Can you let the position live? All right. What I'm gonna do is identify what happened at the end of the day. Identify key areas, and I'm gonna give myself 3 opportunities to make the $150, which, as crazy as this sounds, can be very tough. But I'm just gonna be patient. I will be patient. I will get in at areas of. I'm not trusting long shorts. I'm not going to trust shorts. So hopefully the market is in a bullish. Hopefully the market is bullish later on tonight. And my goal is to have some good news for you guys when we come back at the end of when we come back during the evening stream. Well, shit, Nasdaq, my God, dude, you couldn't let the position live, huh? Damn, she came back for both of my stops, dude. It's insane. All right, whatever. She came back from both of them. And I guess the bears were coming in at 400, and that's just the one thing that I guess is just going to be difficult. It's difficult to trust it. I mean, I said that there's going to be some turbulence here. I just don't trust it. Just don't trust it. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nasdaq said my goal was to come for that stop, and that's exactly what the fuck she did. She came back from she came back from my stop like it was her personal freaking and she came back from my damn stop. Wow. She came back for it. No, the Lucid Dream account is just the Lucid connection. This account is underwater because I went tilt. The crazy thing is that I was up for the day. I could have just stopped. I was up like $900. I just wanted $1,000. I just wanted $100 more. That's it. I just wanted $100 more. And I lost $3,000. Could have just stopped, but I didn't. I could have just stopped, but I didn't. And then on top of not stopping, I over leveraged. I went in with 20 micro contracts. I mean, y'all guys saw it. And then the crazy thing is I could have brought it back if I didn't do that. But I guess it is what it is, right? You said trust her, she's going down. Oh. Nasdaq is like, how many times do I gotta teach you this lesson? I'm going down. Prove it. Show me. Show me you're going down, because I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Show me. You say you think we ultimately go up? I think so too. I mean, well, I think so. What we saw yesterday, actually, I had this is the Fed Watch tool, and one thing that I noticed last night was, as time goes on, the chance for a rate hike goes up. It jumps from 9% to 31% to 40% to 60% to 66% to 70% to 73%, 74%, 73%, and 71%. The market thinks that we're going to have a rate hike, which is interesting because Trump wants the rates to go down. So honestly, I want. I guess that meme where it says "Don't let them know your next move." Well, shit, Trump. You said that you wanted rates to go down, that you hired a competent Fed chair that understands your vision, and this guy looks like he's going to be worse than Powell. In turn, because Powell hasn't raised any hike, he kept it steady. But looks like this guy going to try to come in and raise some rates. And which would be crazy because you should have just kept Powell. So like, we know Powell. I'm pretty sure Powell wanted to stay head of Fed chair. And if this new guy ain't going to do what you want him to do, it just makes Trump look stupid. It makes him look like he doesn't make the great decision. He doesn't make great decisions. That's what's going to, if this guy comes in and does what he wants, because that's two Fed chairs that he appointed himself personally that are going against what he wants. He said if we go down, we're going down. I think so, because I mean, if you look at a daily chart, and we're kind of double topping. If we take out that low right there, I mean, there is no support. I mean, your next area of potential support would be 26.7, 26.8, potentially. There's no support. Nothing to catch the fall. Nothing to catch the fall.
So according to Axios, the US and Iran discussed moving up the signing of the deal, according to sources. So the US and Iran and the mediators are discussing holding the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding, currently scheduled for Friday, moving that to as early as Wednesday, according to a diplomat from one of the mediating countries and a second source familiar with the discussions.
So you think we might clear that gap that we left? Yeah, that's a possibility. Honestly, I'm surprised we didn't even fill it yet, honestly. But honestly, why should I be surprised? Why should I be surprised? Why should I be surprised? Left that big opening week gap. I'm gonna have to pay attention to that drop if we get underneath 271.
So we have posted the article by Axios on the feed for those interested. So again, in this, it does say that the US and Iran discuss moving up the signing of the deal to today.
Ooh, let's sign that deal. Finally got some green in the account a little bit. Finally got some green in it. You think we can go lower than that, Rocket? Are you an undercover bear? Are you an undercover bear? Are you working for Michael Burry? Rocket said that we can go lower. Lower. Rocket says that he's a sleeper. I've been working undercover as a bear in this bull market for so long. But yeah, I think once the bulls really stops buying, which is it's kind of hard to kind of imagine that though. But once the bulls stop buying, yeah, we're definitely going to see a big correction. I mean, how can we really explain what's been happening this entire time with this push up? I mean, if you really think about it, the only thing that's been keeping this the market down is when Iran comes out and says that Trump's this or Trump's that, or they drop and say, yeah, we're not negotiating, we're not doing this, we're not doing that. And then that's the only reason why the market has been dropping. But other than that, what's really dropped the market? It seems like we don't hear nothing about tariffs anymore, but I guess the courts kind of stopped that and said that his tariffs were illegal. So I guess he can't, that buzzword tariff doesn't really trigger the market anymore. But if we do see rate hikes though, I can see, I can kind of see it. I can kind of see it. That's going to break a lot of people. People can barely afford things now. They can barely afford it now. You raise rates, it makes money more expensive. Just in case, because I'm pretty sure they'll try to do it. Nasdaq dropped about 60 points just to get me. So, I mean, I'm not going to put anything past her. If she stops me out here, I'll just get back in at the same entry. If only we can have women if our partners as dedicated as Nasdaq when it comes to trying to get your stop. She was dedicated. She was like, I'm not going higher until I grab that stop. And that's exactly what she did. But when you've been in a toxic relationship with the same person for so long, you just know their ways. You're just like, all right, well, I already know you're gonna try to do it, so I'm just gonna get back in. Just gonna get back in. Yeah, you may have got that style, but you ain't gonna get this one. Yeah. Actually, you said on ES was nah. I look at ES, the Nasdaq gonna try to swipe my stop and then push higher. Let's look at it real quick. You know I ain't got my hands on the screen right now. Let's look at the ES real quick. Yeah. Well, okay, no. Yeah, all right. That's that's pretty. What the hell? That's pretty straightforward right there. That's pretty straightforward. Nasdaq, you can try, but I'm gonna just get back in. So you might as well just let this position live. She says, "Well, shit, I'm gonna move so fast that I'm just gonna not fill your order." She said, "I have ways. I have ways." But it does look like the market is kind of going. It's trying to stair step down. Mhm. Yeah. Says you're gonna get both of them stops now. Said we got them. We got them. All right. Just clean up the chart real quick. Yeah, it is, man. All right, Nasdaq. I see what you're trying to do. It's okay. I see what you're trying to do. All right, so 403. That would be 10 points. That'll be 20 points. Mm-hmm. All right, Bulls, is now or never. We got the engineered liquidity above those highs right there. It's now or never. Can we see a stop run? Can we see a stop run to about 460, 470? We probably might get a run to 480 if they can break above these highs. Probably might see 480. Ah, shit. Damn it. Never mind. This could drop here. This could drop here. But if they hold it here though, they hold it. Damn. Dude, look how many dude, look how many
And so
times.
keep in mind, we're still waiting on the start of the Trump press conference at the G7.
I thought y'all guys said that Trump was already talking. I thought he was already done. He hasn't talked yet? If this doesn't show you, this is the main reason why I don't move my stop to break even. Look how many times it touched my break even. I would have got stopped out so many times. Oh, has he? I wonder what he meant by that. Yeah, let's run these stops. Come on. Well, let's run the bear stops. The buy stops. Let's run them. Let's run those. Is the market waiting on something? Well, I guess historically when it chops like this, we could see a run to the lows because the bears suck. If the bulls wanted to push this, they would have pushed it. But with it chopping like that, this is an opportunity for the bears to try to build up enough buy stops underneath those lows for to move lower. This is tough. This is tough. I'm going to stay strong long, but I will recognize that there is liquidity on both sides of this market building up. And I'm pretty sure majority of people are long right now. So this could, but they did swipe liquidity underneath that pivot low right there though. A lot of people are long. But this thing does look like it wants to continue short. This is tough. This is tough. Santiago, you said hold it long. All right. I got a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna have to. All right, let's run these stops. Let's run these buy stops. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's run these buy stops, baby. But I do see that the long-term EMA right here is flattening out. Yeah, let's keep running these stops, baby. Yeah, let's take them buy stops out. There we go. Let's tap into that liquidity pool. Let's keep on pushing here. Oh shit, I'm up 700. Should I take this? Nah. Did I just say something blasphemy? Did I just say something blasphemous right now? Taking profits before price hits TP? Did I just say something blasphemous just now? Damn. I mean, this is yours. What are you talking about? This is yours. Oh, you talk about the Wi-Fi. I mean, I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at it. I'm about to look at it. All right. Hopefully this thing don't double top here and hurt my feelings. I was up about $800 on this move right here. Hopefully it doesn't come back and hurt my feelings. But that's all I have. Or I'm out of time for this session. So I do appreciate everybody that joined me this morning. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.